Honey proven more effective than antibiotics for treating coughs and colds, study finds. Honey has long been used as a natural remedy for coughs and colds, but now a new study suggests that it may be even more effective than antibiotics in treating these common ailments. The study, published in the BMJ Evidence-Based Medicine Journal, found that honey was more effective at relieving symptoms of coughs and colds than traditional medications like antibiotics and cough syrups. The study analyzed data from 14 clinical trials involving over 1,700 participants with coughs and colds. The trials compared the effectiveness of honey against traditional medications like antibiotics and cough syrups, as well as placebos. The results showed that honey was more effective than all other treatments in reducing the severity and frequency of coughing, as well as improving sleep quality. One of the reasons honey may be so effective at treating coughs and colds is its antibacterial properties. Honey contains natural antimicrobial compounds that can kill harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This makes it an ideal treatment for respiratory infections like colds and coughs, which are often caused by bacterial or viral infections. Honey is also a natural anti-inflammatory, which can help reduce swelling and inflammation in the respiratory tract. This can help alleviate symptoms like coughing, wheezing, and chest congestion. Additionally, honey is a natural cough suppressant, which means it can help calm the urge to cough and provide relief from irritating coughs. Unlike traditional medications, honey is a natural and safe remedy with few side effects. It is also affordable and widely available, making it an ideal treatment for people of all ages and income levels. Furthermore, honey has a sweet and pleasant taste, making it an easy and enjoyable treatment to take. However, it is important to note that honey should not be given to infants under 1 year of age due to the risk of infant botulism. Additionally, people with diabetes should be cautious when using honey as it can raise blood sugar levels. Here's a simple honey remedy recipe you can use for coughs and colds. Honey and lemon cough syrup recipe. Ingredients: a 1/4 cup of honey, a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Instructions: in a small bowl, mix together the honey and lemon juice until well combined. Add the ground ginger and cinnamon to the honey and lemon mixture and stir until fully incorporated. Pour the mixture into a clean jar with a tight-fitting lid. Take 1 tablespoon of the cough syrup as needed to soothe your cough or cold symptoms. This honey and lemon cough syrup can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. The ginger and cinnamon add additional health benefits, such as anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Enjoy this natural and delicious remedy for a more comfortable recovery from coughs and colds. In conclusion, the findings of this study suggest that honey may be a better alternative to traditional medications like antibiotics and cough syrups for the treatment of coughs and colds. Its natural antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and cough suppressant properties make it an effective and safe remedy for these common ailments. As always, it is important to consult with a healthcare provider before trying any new treatment, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications.